Hello kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a parachute drawing for you. It's very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, I draw a mountain. It's very easy to draw a mountain. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Then I draw other mountain. These mountains are completely covered with snow. Then I draw the third mountain and fourth or last mountain. Wow, that's awesome drawing. Then I draw a parachute. First I draw oval shape. I like parachute so much. Do you like parachute? Do you parachute in your life? Parachute are usually to fly in the air. People travel in air through parachute. Then I draw the clouds in the sky. I draw the two clouds in the sky. I like clouds so much. Do you like the clouds? It's very easy to draw the clouds. Then I draw a sun. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? Wow, that's awesome drawing. Who will tell me what is missing in the drawing? Yes, tell me. Exactly, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. I like coloring so much. Do you like coloring? First of all, I color in the mountain. I use the blue color in the mountain. I like blue color so much. Do you like the blue? I use the blue color in the four mountain. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I like this color so much. That's my favorite color. Then I use the green color. I use the green at the top of the mountains. The blue shows that the mountains are covered with ice. These mountains are covered with ice even during the summer season. The green color shows that the mountains covered with greeny. I use the green color in all of the mountains. Now I color in the sun. Who will tell me what is the color of sun? Yes, tell me. Exactly, its color is yellow. So I use the yellow color in the sun. Yellow is my favorite color. Do you like the yellow color? Wow, yellow color looks so beautiful and awesome. Now I color in the clouds. I use the different colors in the clouds. In the one could is use the pink color. I like pink color so much. In the other cloud I use the yellow color. See, pink and yellow color looks so beautiful and awesome. That's my favorite colors. Now I color in the parachute. I like colorful drawing. So I use the different colors in the parachute. Firstly, I use the red color. See, red color looks so elegant. The color of apple is also red. Do you like the red color? Then I use the pink color. Red and pink color looks so beautiful and awesome. Now I use the green color in the parachute. The three colors look so beautiful and awesome. It's my favorite drawing. Do you like this drawing? Can you draw this drawing at your home? Yes, you can draw this at your home without any difficulty. See, my drawing is ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. See you soon.